Imagine starting your morning, stretching your legs, standing up, and feeling steady and strong. No wobbling, no sudden tightness. No fear of losing balance, just confidence with every step. Whether it's a walk with your spouse or carrying groceries without help, that stability matters. But many seniors don't feel this way. Instead, there are calf cramps, foot numbness, or sudden nighttime spasms that interrupt sleep. Some even begin avoiding stairs or holding onto furniture just to move safely. Here's the real truth. These problems aren't always just aging. Very often the body is quietly missing key nutrients that control strength balance, circulation, and muscle coordination. All nutrients costing less than Dao, and I'll show you how to use them in this video. Make sure you like and subscribe for more affordable health tips. Let's dive into the first one. Number 6. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds might look tiny, but they carry nutrients that seniors often don't get, enough of especially vitamin E and magnesium. These two work together to keep leg muscles relaxed, responsive, and well oxygenated. Magnesium helps reduce night cramps and sudden stiffness, while vitamin E improves circulation so your legs feel lighter and more stable when walking. Many seniors who feel heavy legs or early fatigue are simply low in these nutrients without realizing it. A small handful of sunflower seeds in the morning sprinkled on yogurt, oatmeal, or eaten plain can gently support muscle recovery and daily strength, especially for adults over 60 who want steadier steps. Number 5. Sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are one of the oldest natural strength builders on Earth, and they're especially powerful for seniors. These tiny seeds are packed with calcium, zinc, and healthy fats, a trio that helps keep legs steady, joints flexible, and muscles strong. Calcium supports bone density, zinc helps repair worn-out muscle fibers, and the healthy fats reduce inflammation that often causes knee and hip stiffness after 60. Many seniors who struggle with weak legs don't realize their body simply needs more minerals to rebuild strength. Adding just 1 spoon of sesame seeds to salads, yogurt, or warm meals can noticeably support balance and daily mobility. Number 4. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are one of the best natural sources of omega-3 fats, the same nutrient that helps reduce inflammation, ease stiffness, and support smooth muscle movement. For seniors, this is especially important because muscles recover more slowly with age. The omega-3 in flax seeds help your legs feel less tight in the morning, while the fiber supports better circulation, which is key for long walks and daily stamina. Many seniors notice better flexibility within a few weeks of adding flax seeds to their routine. Just 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds in smoothies, oatmeal, or soups can give your leg muscles the natural oil they need to stay active and strong. Number 3. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are one of the richest natural sources of magnesium, iron, and potassium, 3 minerals your leg muscles rely on every single day. Magnesium keeps muscles relaxed, potassium prevents cramps, and iron improves oxygen flow so your legs don't tire quickly. For many seniors, weak legs and early fatigue aren't just age-related. They're signs of low mineral levels. Pumpkin seeds help fill those gaps naturally. They also contain antioxidants that reduce inflammation around the knees and hips, making movement feel smoother. A small handful of pumpkin seeds as an evening snack or sprinkled over soups can gently support stronger steps and better endurance. Number 2. Hemp seeds. Hemp seeds are one of the few plant foods that contain all 9 essential amino acids, making them a complete protein source, something seniors often lack. These proteins help rebuild worn-out leg muscles, support daily strength, and maintain balance. They're also rich in omega-3 and omega-6 fats, which reduce inflammation in the knees and hips, making movements feel smoother and less painful. Many seniors who feel weak legs or slow recovery after walking benefit from the gentle, steady nourishment hemp seeds provide. Just 1 tablespoon added to smoothies, yogurt, or warm porridge can give your muscles the building blocks they need to stay strong and active. Number 1. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are tiny, but they work like a natural energy reservoir for seniors. Once soaked, they form a gel that slowly releases energy, helping your leg muscles stay active longer without tiring quickly. They're packed with omega-3 calcium and plant protein, a combination that supports stronger bones, smoother joints, and steady muscle repair. Many seniors notice fewer morning cramps and better balance after adding chia seeds to their routine because they absorb water. Chia seeds also support hydration, which is essential for preventing muscle stiffness. Just 1 tablespoon in water, smoothies, or yogurt can help your legs feel lighter, more flexible, and more reliable throughout the day. Final conclusion. Your legs carry your entire world, your independence, your mobility, your confidence. And after 60 or 70 even, small daily choices can decide whether your legs grow weaker or stronger. These 6 seeds are simple, affordable, and easy to add to any meal, yet they supply the minerals, healthy fats, and protein your muscles desperately need. You don't need expensive pills or complicated diets. Just a spoonful of the right seeds can help reduce cramps, improve stability, and restore the strength you thought aging had taken away. So start today. Take one seed, one habit, one small step. Your healthier, steadier future begins with what you put on your plate. If this helped you, please, subscribe and share it with someone who deserves stronger legs too.